In this video, we will discuss how to develop your personal investment philosophy, which will help you get money out of the equation, understanding how to make your money work for you so you can reach financial independence earlier in your career, giving you the ability to craft your job and optimize your life for joy and fulfillment. As always, timestamps are in the description below. Before we start investing, it's important to have a simple, personal philosophy around it. Here's mine. Feel free to modify and adopt. First, I would do it myself and keep it simple. In investment, you keep the money you save. If I could not understand the investment, I would not invest in it. No speculation, so that takes cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin ineligible for my style of investing. Second, I would invest in a diversified portfolio made of US and international stocks, invest in bonds and real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs. I'm using the Roth 401k option, so I have three types of money. Money in my taxable account, in my tax-deferred account, and in my tax-free account. My colleagues and I describe this in great detail in the video linked above. Number 3. I would max out all of my retirement accounts, especially the health savings account and the backdoor Roth IRA account. I would invest as soon as I had the money because time in the market is more important than timing the market, and monthly regular investing takes care of dollar cost averaging. Number 4. No chasing past performance. If you look at Callen's chart and look at the colors, you'll notice the phenomenon of mean reversion, meaning that assets that have done poorly recently will do better in the near future. Number 5. I embrace the Boglehead style of investing using low-cost passive index funds. For example, I use the mutual fund VTSAX, which has an expense ratio of 0.04%, meaning it charges 4 cents for every $100 invested. To give you a comparison, the average mutual fund expense ratio across the industry is a whopping 1.11%. Number 6. I will take risks when I'm young, so I invest in an aggressive portfolio allocation model, and I plan to dial down the risk once I hit my financial independence targets. Number 7. I plan to rebalance on an ongoing basis based on monthly contributions, but every 1 to 3 years, and potentially earlier if my allocation model changed by 5%. Number 8. I would not fuss about the percentage allocation model, but would stick with it so I can automatically buy low and hopefully will never sell until I retire. Number 9. I would stay the course in both bear and bull markets. If I feel anxiety and stress, I will go back to my favorite personal finance books and read them again. Idea credit Warren Buffett. Number 10. I will not mix investing and insurance, so I had to cancel my variable annuity, an investment mistake that costed me $30,000, literally all the money that I had at the time. I talk about it in the video linked on the end screen. The only life insurance I would buy is a term life policy, which I plan to cancel when I hit financial independence. Let me know in the comments below what else is a part of your own personal investment philosophy. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn how to use financial independence as a burnout antidote, check out this video where I talk about it in great detail. Do hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Happy investing, and I'll see you hopefully in the next video.